Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to install Ubuntu Server. Open up your web browser and click the link in the description below. Then press Server, then Download. Once it's downloaded, you can either burn it to a DVD, or use a program called Rufus to put it on a USB drive. But we will not be showing you how to do this today. Once you have burned it, boot from the DVD or USB drive that has the installation, then just go through the installation like normal. When the installation is complete, press Reboot now. Afterwards, remove the installation media and press Enter. If you see text appear after it says login, don't worry about it. Just type the username, then the password. Now type in sudo apt-get update, then sudo apt-get upgrade. If it gives you a yes or no prompt, just press Y, then enter. And that's it. Now the next time you boot into your account, you should see 0 updates available. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing, and share this with your friends and family.